Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Kraken to Bitrue in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers, and moving it between exchanges like Kraken and Bitrue can help you manage your assets more efficiently. Whether you're looking to trade on Bitrue or just diversify, I'll walk you through this step by step in under 2.5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Bitrue, and that your Kraken account has some USDT ready to go. Security is key, so always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. It's usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Look for the cryptocurrency options. Step 2. Select USDT from the list of assets. Here's a crucial tip. Pay attention to the network. USDT can be on networks like Tron, Ethereum, or others. For Bitrue, make sure you choose the correct one, like Tron for faster, cheaper transfers in 2025. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Decide how much USDT you want to send, but remember to account for any network fees. Then, paste in your Bitrue wallet address. To get this, log into Bitrue, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Double-check it matches the right network. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Kraken will show you a summary, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're happy, hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with 2FA for extra security. Step 5. Sit back and monitor. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Head over to Bitrue and check your wallet to see when the funds arrive. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details. In 2025, with evolving regulations, keep an eye on any exchange-specific rules or minimum withdrawal amounts. There you have it. That's how you send Tether from Kraken to Bitrue. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments, and let's keep building that digital portfolio. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.